Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to withdraw in Pocket Broker. Firstly, before withdrawing, your account must be fully verified. Log into your Pocket Option account and tap on your profile icon or go to the Finance tab. Select Withdrawal from the menu. Pocket Option supports bank transfers, credit or debit cards, e-wallets like Skrill or NetTeller, and crypto wallets. Type in how much you want to withdraw and check the minimum and maximum limits for your method. Make sure the amount is less than or equal to your available balance. Double check all the info, tap Withdraw to confirm the request. Most withdrawals are processed quickly, but depending on the payment method, it may take instant to 24 hours for e-wallets or crypto, or 1 to 2-3 business days for bank cards or transfers. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.